legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, so you made it to day 11. And for this step, I would say watch a day in the life videos of day traders, because let's face it, we're all trying to make money. And most of these people that make those kind of videos, they're showing themselves hopping off of jets, eating expensive plates of food, sleeping in hotels, all this type of stuff, right? So I would say watch those videos because they're great motivators. When you're like waking up in your house and you have to go to work, and then you watch a day in the life of a trader videos, and you see them like waking up at like 10 o'clock a.m., something happens, man. I can't explain it. I can't put my finger on it, but something happens deep inside you, and you like, you know what? I can do that too, right? You get that kind of feeling. So I would say just watch several of those types of videos just to get your juices pumping, so that you kind of have that chip on your shoulder. Yeah.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No.